So the hole for the fuel line, the clear line, was too big and it was sucking air. Not wanting to spend the money for a new tank, which is pretty hard to find actually. It's the right size hole with the proper filter, which is new. So I did not think that was the problem. The carburetor seemed fine. This was just, you could see it sucking air. So I tried a little crazy glue, and it seemed so far to work good. I put it around the hose. You can see it, it's pretty sloppy. The hose is, you can't move it now, and possibly it will work. She started right up, wasn't a problem. Let's see how long it lasts.